Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Thanksgiving's around the corner, and one of our favorite things to eat at Thanksgiving is the stuffing. My husband's rather persnickety about stuffing, and he's always cooked it in the turkey. I decided to see if I could make a homemade stuffing that was cooked out of the turkey that he would like. It's pretty easy to make, and it's nice to have the flexibility to make it just the way you like it. I used about 1/3 to 1/2 pound of mild Italian sausage, some onions, some celery, some garlic, and some spices. I also made the bread myself, but you can use French bread or white bread or any kind of bread you want. Some of you may not like onions or celery or have kids who won't eat them. You can make your stuffing just the way you like it with the ingredients that you want. I use salt and pepper, paprika, thyme, and sage for the spices. First, you take your bread and slice it if needed. Then you cut it into cubes. You can leave it out overnight to dry, or you can dry it in the oven for about 30 minutes at a very low heat, maybe 250 to 275 degrees. I usually leave our bread out overnight. But we don't have problems up here in Montana with cockroaches like some of you do in the humid climates, so do what works best for you. Next, I saute the Italian sausage, but you don't have to use any meat if you don't want to. After it's browned, I add some chopped onions, celery, garlic, and the spices. I also added 2 tablespoons of butter. I cooked it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Then I added the bread cubes and stirred them together. Last, I added some chicken broth. I used a little more than a 14.5-ounce can for this. The chicken broth adds a good flavor. Give it a good stir and place it in an oven-safe dish. Bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes or so until it starts to brown a little on the top. The cooking time will vary depending on how hot your oven is and how moist you like your stuffing. That is basically how you make stuffing outside a turkey. My husband loved the stuffing. Looks like we aren't going to be stuffing a turkey anymore. We will just cook it without anything inside of it and make the stuffing on the side. It's fun to be creative and try new things on your own. I would have loved to add mushrooms to the stuffing, but I didn't have any. Maybe next time. When you make your own food, you can cater it to be just the way you like it. Hope you'll try making your own stuffing this year. There's lots of recipes on the internet that you can look at and try. It's easier than you think. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.